Basically, he has agreed on a couple of principles. We're talking about co-ops, not the public option as defined by Nancy Pelosi. But they're talking about not having a draft until next week and hearings the week after. This is not, they're passing them by.
He is. I mean, look, he's not irrelevant to the process no matter what happens because he's chairman of the Senate Finance Committee. And at the end of the day, the Senate Finance Committee has jurisdiction over whatever legislation ends up getting passed by the entire United States Senate. But he's no longer playing point. He gave, when he came out with his blueprint yesterday, I had people at the White House say, well, I saw this in June. And they're like, if this is it, then why didn't he come out sooner? A lot of Capitol Hill watchers saying, hey, had he come out with this as the blueprint in June, forced a Grassley or an Inslee to sign off on it, you might have had a bipartisan thing to agree to. Clearly, after the month of August, Grassley and Inslee are no on this front, no to this blueprint, but they were sitting out there potentially waiting. So I think how he managed the politics of this has made him less relevant to this process. He is still relevant because he is an important committee chair, but he is now not the guy playing point. The President of the United States is playing point. He's drafting, frankly, the legislation with what he says tonight.